Does Coinbase allow day trading? Does Coinbase allow day trading? So the short answer is yes, Coinbase does allow day trading, but it is best done through Coinbase Advanced, formerly known as Coinbase Pro, which offers professional tools, lower fees, and deeper liquidity. The standard Coinbase app is more beginner friendly, but lacks the speed, cost efficiencies needed for active intraday trading. So if you're going to do day trading using Coinbase, if you want to day trade options, if you go using the Coinbase basic app, it just offers a simple buy sell interface, but it attracts higher fees in spreads and transaction fees, and you are limited in terms of order types, mostly market orders. It's best for casual investors, not active day traders. If you really want to maximize on your day trading via Coinbase, what you want to do is use Coinbase Advanced. It's the successor to Coinbase Pro. It offers advanced charting powered by TradingView, professional order types like limits, stop limits, time in force, and sort. You actually also get 552 plus spot pairs, which with marker fees as low as 0.0%, basically for free. And you also get APIs for algorithmic trading and faster execution. So that one is designed for intraday and high frequency traders. But the short answer is yes, the Coinbase does allow day trading.